How to cut on CapCut Mobile. After opening a project on your timeline, to cut the clip on CapCut Mobile, be it on an Android device or on an iPhone, first of all move the playhead cursor to the position where you would like to perform the cut, by simply swiping left or right with your finger depending on where you are in your video. The position of the playhead always represents exactly where you are in your video. So let's assume that we would like to make a cut here, then in the button toolbar we would tap on Edit and then tap on Split. So the cut feature on CapCut is actually called Split, because what a cut like this does, it basically splits a clip into half. So let us now tap on Split, and you will now recognize that new cut by the white handle that has been inserted at the position of the playhead. Now if you would like to add yet another split, we would swipe left or right on the timeline, and once we reach the desired position, again in the button toolbar we will tap on Edit and then tap on Split. And once again a new white handle appears on the timeline exactly where we just cut the clip in half. You can use this split function for photos as well as videos. We just applied it to a couple of photos, but here at the end of the footage we also have a clip of a woman running at the beach, and we can easily perform yet another cut in the very same way. So again we would tap on Edit, followed by Split. And as you can see, we successfully split this video clip in half as well. Now you might wonder how to actually unsplit on CapCut Mobile. Well, if the split was one of the last actions that you performed, you can easily unsplit, or let's say uncut, by simply tapping here on the back button. This will remove the split for good. However, with the back and the forward button, you can only go a few steps back and a few steps forward. So that means if you have done a cut or a split a long time ago, you can't use these buttons to unsplit. However, there is one little hack that I would like to show you whenever you would like to unsplit some footage but are unable to use the back button. To illustrate that, first of all, we will add another split by tapping on Edit, followed by Split. Now let's imagine that the back button is actually grayed out and can't be used. In that case, what we can do is we can actually delete the clip on the right side. For us to delete it, it would need to be selected. This is the case at the moment. And then in the button toolbar, we would simply tap on Delete. Now the second part of the clip is actually gone, but we can bring it back by using the right handle at the very end of our first clip, by tapping on it and holding it and then dragging it to the right. We first need to make sure that the clip is selected though. To do that, simply tap on it once. And once you do that, you will see this big white handle appearing at the very end of the clip. So we will now tap, hold and drag it to the right to bring the second part of the clip back. And just like that we restored the whole clip, and there is no more split to be found in the middle of the clip. And this is how you cut on CapCut Mobile. Now that you know how to cut images, photos and video clips on CapCut, make sure to watch the next video on my channel where I will tell you everything about how to move clips in CapCut.